Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a invite channel notification since it was requested by one of our subscribers in the Discord server. So now let's hop into the video.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. The two of us.
Alright, so first of all we're going to need to install a package that is basically my package, and it got a couple downloads last week. That's cool. So basically the package is it has a lot of function here, but one usage, like one event that we're gonna be using. Alright, 3 functions and 1 event. So that event is basically called invite logger event. Alright, so this event is logging invite users. This is the same as gold member add event, but it's custom. Alright, so as you can see here, there is an example on how to use that. So let's see here. So first of all, we're gonna install the package. So we're gonna do npm I UltraX, and you need to put at latest. Alright, make sure it has at latest, and then do enter. Just wait a couple seconds. Alright, and it's installed. So first of all, we want to do this to make the event working. Alright, so it's pretty easy. I'm gonna just do here require. Alright, let me just move this up here. Let me move this, remove all of those spaces. It's kinda annoying. Alright, so let me put here require. Alright, UltraX, and put here dot invite logger. Alright, and then here you're gonna put your Discord.js client, that is basically client here, as you can see, const client with a capital C for me. Alright, so here I did it, as you can see. Alright, so now it's pretty easy. We're gonna just make a normal event. Alright, so I'm gonna do client.on. It's called here invite join, so invite join, and then it got some parameters that they are member, invite, and inviter. So member, invite, and inviter, and then I'm gonna put like this. So first of all, I want to get the channel that I'm gonna be sending in. Alright, so it's gonna be this channel. So I'm gonna put const channel equal client.channels.cache.get, and I'm gonna put here the channel ID. Alright, after I got the channel ID, now I can just use channel.send and this. So normally you can get the user who joined, the invite code, the inviter, and how many times that invite code was used. Alright, but sometimes there is an error with the invite users, so I like to keep it in a try and catch. Alright, but we only need this time the inviter. Alright, only the inviter. So I'm gonna put here member, alright, joined or just joined. He was invited by inviter. Alright, as you can see, inviter.tag, so let me put here just inviter to ping him. Alright, so I just cut the video for some reason. Alright, and now I'm back, so I'm gonna do node dot right now. Let's test this out. So here, so I created a invite, I sent it in my here in this DM, so I'm gonna join right now. Okay, alright, so once I joined, as you can see here, it says weirdo just joined. Okay, it should be joined, not joined. So just joined, he was invited by UltraX, as you can see. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.